Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add large files in your Dropbox. To do so, all you have to do is first of all just go into your Dropbox and select the file that you want to upload. And to select the file you want to upload, simply go onto this upload or drop option after you have logged in into your account. Here on the all files section you will see these options. Simply click on it and now click on file option, or if you have the file in your Google Drive, simply click on import from Google Drive. You can do this if it is a larger file, because importing from Google Drive will be easier as it will sustain more larger files. If not, you can also go on to the files option, and after clicking onto the files option, a new windows will open up from where you are able to select the file they want to upload. Click on it and now open it up. After you click on it, you can see that a upload process will start, and with the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, the upload process will be done within few minutes, give or take. And that is how you can upload any files or larger files from your PC or laptop to your Dropbox. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.